Alright guys, so today we are putting on our Rally Armor mud flaps. Connor's giving me a hand. So we jacked up the car because we're going to do tire rotation at the same time, and it'll make it easier to put the flaps on, and we'll get into it. Alright, so we got our car jacked up and on the stand. So the first step is we're going to take out the 3 little push clips with a flathead or removal tool, and then we're going to take out the screw right here so we can pull everything back to put in the mud flaps. Alright, so we got our little skirt off. So we're going to take the included clips. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to tuck the fender back in. And then we have these screws and washers to put in with the flap. So we're going to do that now. Alright, so we tighten those up. Got the bracket for support in there. I think we're going to line it pretty well. So yeah, we're just going to time lapse the rear and then the passenger side of the car. Off the rear, there's 2 10mm bolts. Connor's working on a Phillips head screw and a push clip, and then the stock skirt mud flap things just pop right off. Alright, so we got the rear fender apart. So we're going to take our little clips and set them on. Once we got those on, we can kind of feed our fender back together. And then we have our bracket. It's going to go right here, and there's a bolt that goes through that. What do we got on here? There we go. And then there's a lock washer that goes on the top. You want to grab that? Yep. You got this.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's better.
And then we're going to tighten all that down. Same procedure. We're going to use the screws, put them through here with the flap on there. And then we'll tighten this down for the bracket for the 4th screw. So we're going to wrap this video up. We got the mud flaps installed, front and rear, all lined up and ready to go. So yeah, overall, I mean, pretty easy process. Definitely a custom fit, not a universal kit, and you know, it's awesome. These mud flaps are going to help keep the back of my car a lot cleaner. To wrap this video up, we're going to take a look at a photo with the Rally Armor mud flaps on the left side of the vehicle and the factory splash guard mud flap things on the right side of the vehicle. The Rally Armors are a good 3 to 4 inches longer and a tiny bit wider than the factory option, so they really are going to help, and they have preventing anything splashing up on the side of the vehicle and keeping the back cleaner. So I'm going to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.